Hello everyone. I've received my YOKEKON floor standing water circulation humidifier, ultrasonic humidifier from Amazon. Okay, let me show you how it works. You can put water in two different ways here. You can put it in by pouring it through the top here, slowly pouring it through the top, or taking the main body off and pull it through here, okay? It has a, bring it up, a fuel fill line back here, the maximum fill line. It has a window here where you can see how much water you're putting in. It has this little tray here. You push it in, it pops out. You put your essential oils in there. That's a plus for me. And put it back. Okay. Now let's turn it back around. And this is the way I would like to fill mine. It's this way. And I use my 64-ounce gallon of water. And I just pour it in here. Okay, I know 64 ounce will not fill it all the way. So I'm just going to pour it in there like that. Okay, I put this back on. Make sure it's unplugged. Okay. Plug this up. Okay. Let's hit the power and see what this thing does. Okay, can you see that? Let's hope enough water in there. Okay, let's see. Yes, the pump is down in the water. Yes, it's enough water now. It's down in the water. Make sure you put this back on. Make it a good seal. Put that back on. Okay. It comes with this remote control and a cleaning sponge and the user manual. That's what it comes with, the remote control. It has the little piece. I have to make sure it's facing this in order to work. And it has the cleaning sponge, like I said. It is easy to clean. This humidifier is for a large room, not a small area, because you can damage your walls, your pictures, furniture. So you would have to make sure that even the manual speaks on placing it. It's in here because I saw it. It tells you about placement. How far it should be from a wall. Okay. It also has on here a timer. Look at that. And it's quiet. It has on here, okay, the control panel and control. It tells you what everything on here does. It has the, well, we know the power button. Let me get some glasses on. The maximum, that right here that controls your mist level. Small, the low, the medium, and the high, okay? Humidity, it goes from 40 all the way up to 90. And once it reaches the right humidity, it will go off, the humidity part of it will go off. The UV, my water is not distilled, so I just push UV and it's sterilizing my water and the mist. Okay, it has a timer on it. 1 to 12 hours in sentiments. Timer. It has the sleep mode. and how you can exit the sleep mode by touching any button. So it offers all these good things, and then you hear absolutely very little sound. It's quiet, very quiet. Okay, that's how this humidifier works. I hope I was a help, helping you understand how to work it, what it offers, and everything. So remote control, whatever you do on this panel here, you can do it on the remote control. And that turns it off. Okay, thank you and bye-bye.